2024 Toyota Camry. With less than 29,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.